In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GoDaddy. Your browser is a bit unusual. If you're running into that warning when trying to sign in or manage your products, it usually means GoDaddy's security system thinks your browser is behaving like a bot. The good news is it's typically caused by something simple on your end, and you can clear it up quickly. I'll walk you through exactly what to try and why it works. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated site data can confuse security checks and cause pages to loop or fail. Clear browsing data for recent history, including cookies and cached images and files, then fully close and reopen your browser. When you return to GoDaddy, you'll likely need to sign in again. That's normal. Test the page to see if the alert is gone. If it persists, temporarily disable your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy filters, script blockers, and some antivirus add-ons often interfere with the checks GoDaddy runs to verify you're human. Turn extensions off, refresh GoDaddy, and if it works, re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. For any tool you keep, add GoDaddy to its allo list so it doesn't filter essential scripts. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Shared or masked IP addresses can be rate limited or flagged by GoDaddy's servers. Disconnect from your VPN or proxy, refresh the page, and try again. If you must use a VPN for work, consider selecting a different region or temporarily pausing it while you complete your task. Make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser. GoDaddy relies on it for security challenges and account pages. Check your site permissions or security settings to confirm JavaScript isn't blocked for this site. If you use a script blocking extension, allow scripts on GoDaddy and reload. If you're still seeing the message, open a private or incognito window and visit GoDaddy there. This launches a clean session that ignores most cached data and, in many browsers, disables extensions by default. Sign in and test. If it works here, the issue is almost certainly with your regular sessions cookies or an extension. Finally, switch networks. Move from your current Wi-Fi to a different network, like a mobile hotspot. This changes your IP and avoids any network-level filtering or blocks that might be triggering the alert. Once you confirm access on the alternate connection, you'll know the original network was the factor. Follow these steps in order, testing after each change, and you should be back into your GoDaddy account without that unusual browser warning.